Do you want to delete or remove a movie or TV show from your TV's Netflix app on Samsung, Sony, TCL, HiSense Roku TV, or any other TVs without losing your progress? Well, it only takes a couple taps. Just open the Netflix TV app and now go down to continue watching row. After that, select the movie or TV show that you want to remove, long press on it to view details, and from here you'll need to keep scrolling down, and here's your remove from continue watching option. So just select it, and then if we go back to the continue watching row, you'll see it has vanished. And like this, you can delete any TV shows and movies from continue watching on your Netflix TV app. And don't worry about starting it over or losing it, because you can always search it up and resume it right from where you left. And that's how you can clear continue watching on your TV's Netflix app. So don't forget to support us by giving a like and subscribing to our channel, and I'll see you in the next one.